Hey guys, what's up? All right, yeah, why are you sticking your head out the window? Because it's really dark in the car and you can't see me if I film in the car. So I wanted to say a few things before we head over to Papa John's to check out their new, what is it again? It's a New York style pizza. So many people have claimed to be New York style. We're gonna see if it truly is. There's a few rules to New York style. One, the slice got to be as big as your head. And two, it's got to be like you can't eat it unless you fold it. And it's thin. It's not a thick pizza. So we're going to go over there, grab one, and take a look at it and see how it is. So we'll probably head over to Papa John's, grab the pizza, head back over to the house, because there's nowhere to sit at Papa John's, I don't think, is there? Not usually. So anyway, I'll get my head back into the car so we can drive without me lopping off my head at the nearest traffic signal. But anyway, we will see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so we drive up to Papa John's to get the pizza, right? And she's like, I'm not gonna sit here like we had 11 minutes ago. She goes, I'll get in the drive-thru. The drive-thru wasn't moving. So she goes, that's it. I'm just gonna park and go get my pizza. I'll carry out. I said, okay. So the minute she steps into the restaurant to get the pizza, it's now pouring rain. I mean, what are the odds, huh? She's not going to be happy when she gets back. But it's coming down pretty heavy, too. You can hear it probably in the background. So anyway, I just go with it. And we will take it back to the house and we'll show you more up close. Rain's really coming down now. I got the doors unlocked, so when she comes running in, she won't have locked doors. Oh, it's coming down hard. All right, we just gotta wait for her now. I gotta see what she says. Boy, I hope she doesn't curse when she gets back in the car, because I'll have to cut it out. Buckets are coming down now. Buckets. Can you guys see? Nope, you can't see. It's coming down really good. Wow. If she's smart, she'll just wait it out. It only takes like 5 minutes. Then the rain will be gone. See, it's already slowing down. Whew. That's good. All right, we'll see you back at the house. All right, guys, this is the box right here. Let's see. We're gonna open it up, take a look here, and see what it looks like. Serious? These are like normal pizza slices. This is just a normal pizza. Well, that one is a little bit wider and probably foldable, but these other ones just look like normal pizza slices with a lot of pepperoni, but, well, we'll see when we pull one out. So I'm gonna pull one out that, this is the problem with Papa John's. They don't put enough cheese on their pizza, and this is what you get, a big ball of dough. So there's not enough cheese there, not enough cheese here. So when the dough bubbles up and there's no cheese, you know they're not cheesing up your pizza. Sorry, cheese is not very expensive at the moment. I could see if it was a supply issue. But it looks delicious, it looks beautiful. Oops. There we go. All right. First of all, this is not New York pizza. I know right away it's not. This is a random size one. It's not one of the small ones of the pizza. It's not the biggest one of the pizza that had the big bubble of dough. I honestly believe Costco pizza is bigger than this. So let's pick this up and take a look at it. Yeah. Costco pizza is way bigger. And Costco pizza is way greasier too, but basically this is foldable, but I will have to taste it. It's thin like New York pizza, not like deep dish, which is Chicago style. Let's give it a try though, and once again, the sauce is where the flavor is, so let's try it. I have to give them credit on the sauce now. The sauce is good. And if you got some of that garlic stuff to dip in, when you get to the crust, it's even better. The flavor is really good, guys. Do I think it's New York style? New York style is a little bit bigger than this. I'm not saying I need a big giant, well, no, I am saying. New York style pizzas are long as your head. You need to fold it. You have to fold it and have to eat it, okay? But this pizza here, I don't consider it an official New York style, but the flavor is really, really good. The sauce makes it. And this has pizza sauce, which is another shock because most places don't put any pizza sauce on there. So good job. I would recommend this to you guys if you like pizza. It's good flavor. You won't be disappointed, but it's not quite New York pizza.